Meet the word hanji and start using it where it really matters. In courtrooms, legal discussions, news reports, and formal writing. Hear how it sounds and practice real lines you can use right away. The judge ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The judge called for a short recess. She was appointed as a judge last year. Ready to sound more confident in Japanese legal vocabulary? Join the lesson and level up your skills. The word hanji means a judge in a courtroom. It refers to the person who listens to evidence, interprets the law, and makes decisions in legal cases. In modern Japanese, you will often hear saibankan more commonly than hanji, but hanji appears in formal, legal, or historical contexts and translations. The first kanji means judge and decide. Its common on reading is han, and the kun reading is wataru. You see it in handan, which means judgment, and in hanketsu, which means verdict. In handan, the character gives the sense of deciding, and in hanketsu, it gives the idea of a judge decision. The second kanji means thing and matter. Its on readings are ji and go, and the kun reading is koto. It appears in shigoto, meaning work, and in jiko, meaning accident. In shigoto, it marks the task or matter to do, and in jiko, it shows an event or incident. A judge hands down a verdict. 判事が判決を下す。判事が判決を下す。Serve as a judge. 判事を務める。判事を務める。Be appointed as a judge. 判事に任命される。判事に任命される。Dismiss, remove, a judge. 判事を解任する。判事を解任する。A justice of the Supreme Court. 最高裁判所の判事。最高裁判所の判事。The most common synonyms of the hanji is 裁判官、裁判長。Saibankan is the general, commonly used term for a judge and appears in both everyday and legal contexts, whereas saibancho specifically refers to the presiding judge who leads a court session and is thus a more specific title than hanji. The most common antonyms of the hanji is hikoku and genkoku. Hikoku is the person accused in a case and occupies an opposing role to a judge, while genkoku is the party who brings the lawsuit. Both are participants in litigation rather than judicial officers like tanji.